Hello, my name is Natalia Goncharov, Node.js 26.3 class, lesson 2 answers. Question 1. How do event emitters and listeners work in Node.js? An event is a signal that something has happened in the application. For example, an event can represent a user logging in, a file finishing loading, or a message being received. An event emitter creates and emits events. A listener is a function that waits for a specific event. When that event is emitted, Node.js runs the listener function. In Node.js, we can use the built-in event emitter class from the event model. In this example, time is the event. The function passed to emitter on is the listener. It waits for the time event. When emits the event, the listener runs and receives message as an argument. Question 2. What are the key differences between Node's HTTP model and Express? Node's HTTP model is built into Node.js and gives developers low-level control over HTTP requests and responses. Express is a framework built on top of Node HTTP functionality. It provides simpler methods and better organization for building servers and APIs. In file sample http.js, I had to manually check the request method and URL. I also had manually set response headers and finish the response. This is a response. For the post, I had manually collected the request body using the data and events. I also had to use JSON parse and a try-catch block to handle invalid JSON. Express makes this task easier. In file app.js, Express.json automatically parses JSON request bodies. Express also provides simpler routes methods. App-get, Express makes it easier to send status codes and JSON responses. Instead of manually checking, Express connects each HTTP method and pass directly to a handler function. Question 3. How does Express project layout help organize a backend? An Express project layout separates different responsibilities into different files and folders. This makes the code easier to read, test, maintain, and expand. What does app.js do? This app file creates and configures the Express application. It adds middleware, connects routers, defines general routes, handles unknown routes, and starts the server. What does the routes folder do? And this is the routes folder and time routes file. The routes folder defines the available route paths and HTTP methods. It connects each route to the correct controller function. The routes file doesn't contain much response logic. Its main responsibility is deciding which controller should handle each request. And what does the controllers folder do? The controller folder contains the route handle function. This function processes requests and sends responses. And for example, the function get time and the function echo body. And for example of a route and its controller, the route router get time calls this controller function. Function get time. The router is mounted at /API in file app.js. The complete routes is get/API/time. This organization keeps the application configuration, route definitions, and route handler logic separate.